Hello, welcome to my TikTok and YouTube page. In today's lesson, we'll be solving one of the examination questions which came in the year 2020, internal grade 12, on frustum of a cone. So, the question reads as follows. Question 6. The figure below is a frustum of a cone. The base radius and top radiuses are 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters, respectively, while the height is 12 centimeters. Take pi as 3.142. Calculate its volume. So this is a very simple question. We normally solve. So we're going to get the data that we've been given before we go into solving. So what is our data? Our data here, we have 5 centimeters for the top part, the radius there, it is 5 centimeters. And the bottom base of the radius there, it is 10 centimeters. And we're also being given height, which is 12 centimeters. And we were told to take pi as 3.142. So now we have this information. We're going to get the formula. We're going to plug this data into the formula. So what is the formula? So the formula is volume is equals to, this is the formula we use when finding the volume of the frustum of a cone. Big R, small r plus R2. So this is the formula we use. Now we have the formula, we can now start substituting. We can now start substituting the information there now. We're going to say volume is equals to 1 over 3 pi. Our pi was 3.142 times our height. Our height was 12 centimeters. Yeah, 12 centimeters. Our big radius, it's a 10 plus 10 times 5. 10 times 5 plus, what was our small r? Our small radius, it is 5. 5 to the power 2. Now we have this info and data. We can now start simplifying step by step. So we can get our calculator now. We can get our calculator. So I'll start with the ones in the brackets. So 10 to the power 2, it's giving us 100. So we have 100 now. 10 times 5, it's giving me a 50. 5 to the power 2, it's giving me a 25, close bracket. This will be 12 times, so 3.142 times our formula here, which is 1 over 3. So we continue. Now let me add everything here. When I add everything here, it is giving me a 175. 1 over 3 times 3.142, 2 times 12, I mean. So So if I add everything, it's giving me 175. So now I can multiply everything now together on my calculator now. So I'm going to say 1 times 3 point, sorry, let me go. 1 times 3.142 times 12 times 175. I am getting a 6,598.2. So volume is equals to 6,598.2 divide by 3. I'm getting 21,199.4 cubic centimeters. This is my volume for the cone. Now we are found. So thank you very much for joining me in today's lesson. Make sure to follow me on my TikTok and also Facebook page, which is Quick Math Medic. And I also offer online lessons. You can get in touch with me on the details on my bio and also on my profile picture. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.